Hello class 6 students, this is your computer studies practical class. I am Ms. Ritobrata Bandopadhyay and this class is for 29th July 2020. Hello the students of class 6. In the previous week, we have already learned how to insert a table in MS Word. You have already known the three ways how to insert a table in MS Word. Also, you have learned how to insert data in the table and how to delete data from the table. Okay, so in this video, today you will learn how to merge and split any row or column inside a table. So, how to merge or split any column or row inside a table. You will learn this in this video. Okay, so let's go to the practical section and please follow the lesson plans accordingly. Welcome to the practical section. You have already known how to insert a table in MS Word. So, I am going to insert a table in MS Word like this. Okay, so this is a table. Next, I am going to put some data inside a table like this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Next, X, Y, Z. Again for the next row 3, 4, 5 X, Y, Z and M, N, O. Suppose we have put this data inside a table. Now we want to merge these three columns for this top row. We want to write their school routine. We want to write their school routine, but we don't want these three columns for this row. For this row we don't want these three columns. We just want one row. So for this we have to select these three columns like this. For this row only we have to select the three columns like this. Next, we have to right click on the mouse. We have to right click on the mouse and click on this merge cells option. See what happened? The three columns is totally merged into one. Suppose we are writing the school table and we want to put it in the center. For this we will click on this layout option. Next we will choose this align center option. The school table will be in the center. If we want to increase the font size, then we will just go to the home tab and click on this increase font size option. Okay, so you have already learned how to merge cells in MS Word. Now we will learn how to split a cell into more cells. So for this we will just click on any one cell. Suppose we are clicking on this ABC, this cell. We will just click on there, right click and then you will get this option split cells. Just click it there. Here you have to mention how many columns and how many rows do you want. So suppose here I want 2 columns and 2 rows. We want 2 columns and 2 rows. Next we will click on OK. See, this one cell is divided into 2 columns and 2 rows. Okay, so this is how we will split a cell. So you have already learned how to merge a cell, and you have already learned how to split a cell. So practice it. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.